Here I go. Off to Sheepskin Trail. Look at all these beautiful flowers here. Trees are tall as usual. That one is especially humongous. All the way up there. I'm gonna have a nice, quiet, beautiful walk today. Yes. Very nice sheepskin trail walk. It's just beautiful. There's nice flowers over there too. Yep. Such a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Sure is. Oh wait. That looks like the letter P over there. But it looks like a truck. So yeah, too much Sesame Street. I hear people. Anyhow, there was the baseball park thingy. And here are some other houses that I'm showing you already. Really is a nice day. No rain whatsoever. It's not hot, not cold, not anything. Weather's just right. Look at this. It's where the vultures are. They scavenge for dead animals and dead bodies, you know. Quite disturbing, quite a disturbing sight. But yeah, it's Mother Nature. Yeah. Well, yeah, this is a park. Look at all these flowers. You know, the reason why I walked down here is because I wanted to do a little nature walk. Yeah. You can totally hear the crickets, too. Some more flowers on this side. It's a very beautiful sight. Very beautiful sight indeed. And there's a bench in case you need to rest. But down there, I don't even know what's down there. Well, could be a trail of some sort. You never know. Place is always full of surprises. And so is Sheepskin Trail. Yeah. But here's the bench if anyone needs to rest. It's very nice they built this place too. 1.1 or 1.0 miles. That's how I walked here so far. Or how long I've walked here. Here's the village. Here you can see the lake down there. And a big tall tree as usual. I don't know why I'm all about trees here, but oh, look over there. There's a trash bin right next to that tree, too, for decomposables. And down there is a picnic table, I think. Yeah, it's a picnic table down there. Yeah. It's a very beautiful walk down here. It's so good to be out here. almost there to the crossing. That's 3 crossings I went to so far. It is great to be out here today. It's just wonderful. Just wonderful. I'm telling you, Evan, it is great to be outside. Get away from all the noise, the problems, just everything. You ever feel worried about anything, just come out here and walk. You know, nature. Very good reason why we should walk out here today. Because of the beautiful weather. We're going down to another bridge. And it sure is beautiful today. Hi. All the way down there is the creek and the flowers. Yeah. Beautiful flowers. Yeah. Yes. Trees and flowers in this beautiful nature walk. Fresh air. Oh, yellow flowers. And yellow leaves. Sure. Even though it's the last week of summer. Meh. Actually, I'm okay with it, since Halloween is next month. Halloween is my favorite holiday, you know. Besides Christmas. And probably the 4th of July, too. Yeah. And over there, you can see, almost, is the golf course. And way down there is going to be the ranch very soon. It's been a very beautiful day today. It's about time I decided to just take this little nature walk by myself. Because it sure does feel great. The weather. Oh, hold on. There is the golf course, or the golf club down there, and flowers. Yeah. And I think I see a golf club down there. I'm not sure, too. Yeah, that's probably a golf club. And I'm right. I am so right. Now, for my wish. That's that. Over the fence is the golf club. Right next to us are more flowers and the tracks on the train, which they run. Oh well, forgot to mention that. Well, actually I do for this document. Over there's the ranch, where the horses are. I'm gonna be passing that soon, too. Yep. Ranch, where the horses are. Probably won't see them today, but I feel like I might need to see one. If I Get just a little closer. No, not today. Oh well. This is the tree that I saw the bat, the sleepy bat. I don't think I might see him here today. He could be anywhere, hiding in a cave somewhere. Bats need their beauty sleep for the night, in case they go hunting. Us, however, we daytime lovers, well, some of us, most of us actually, need our beauty sleep at nighttime. And there's the picnic table again. Yep. In case you want to eat a little snack. And right there is another decomposable bin. In case you throw stuff away. Stuff that you ate. That is. Very lovely day to have a picnic outside. Especially in the nature. In Sheepskin Trail. Yep. There's purple flowers here. Wow, they look pretty vivid. Wonder what those are. They look beautiful. Whatever they are, they look beautiful. I'm into flowers today. Which is a good thing. Considering I might not see them anymore in the fall or in the winter. That's gonna suck, but hey, I'm gonna enjoy it while I can here. And there's the bench again, in case I need to sit down. The end of this trip. 2.0 miles. Oh yeah. The house looks nice. I like that one too, but only if it has a dog. Yeah. No trespassing, or you die. Just kidding. Probably just an abandoned house. Which it probably is. Shouldn't go anywhere near it. So, yeah, not a good idea. I think this is a playground of some sort. Could be possible. Either way, it looks nice. Very nicely designed. And I think that's a picnic area too. Because I think I remember Mom saying... Sorry. I think I remember Mom saying something about this place having a new area. Water fountain. Oh, thank goodness. Sorry. Anyhow, there's the new crossing. I believe that it is a new crossing. But we'll have to wait till next time, I believe, if I want to go that far. Oh look, no drug place either. That used to be where the hanging shoes are, I believe. Pretty cool place. I don't know, we'll have to check it out. It's located around the corner somewhere, but I don't know where. We'll probably have to ask for directions. Yeah. Barton Row is where I stopped. Tails on the trail. It's a memorial of some sort. Very nice. It's a very nice park here. Yeah. Probably a park for dogs. You never know. Could be possible. Or maybe it does look like a park for dogs. Maybe. We should bring Sable here too, I believe. I don't know, what do you guys think? Sure sounds nice.